Welcome back to our video tutorial course where we show you how to create an incredible business blog like this through the power of AI. Drive traffic, customers, revenue, subscribers, and even reviews 100% on autopilot. Create incredible long-form content and blog posts with images and videos like these 100% automated on a timed basis by setting up a simple automation, or create posts manually in under 20 seconds with just a couple of clicks. We're excited to show you all the features and functionality, so let's get into it. In this video tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at the sidebar settings as well as the menu settings for our platform and for your website. This is the blog that we've been working on throughout this video tutorial, and as you can see, it's starting to come along. So let's first take a look at the menus feature. When you're in your dashboard, if you hover over the menus and sidebar, you can click on menus, and it's pretty straightforward. You can select different menus up here. You can create a new menu, and then you can add menu elements to any of the menus. You can switch with this toggle button right here. You can add different pages. You can add different posts to any menu. You can create custom links. So if you have a separate website, you can create a link here to, say, your home page or any other page on your website. And you can also include categories. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new menu, and we're going to label this the categories menu. Down here you can select where in the theme you want to place this menu. Since we've already got a menu for all these areas right here, we're going to leave that blank. We're going to include this menu in the sidebar. And now what we can do is we can start adding categories to this menu. And we're going to add all three of our current categories, and then we're going to go ahead and save the menu. If you click on the drop down, there's also additional options to where you can show or hide the menu item. You can show the menu item to logged in users, logged out users. If you clicked on logged in users, you can show it to different user roles. And then also, if we click on the settings button, there are additional options for the design of the menu item, as well as adding an icon, highlight label to make particular menu items look differently. Now that we've got our new menu, we'll take a look at the sidebar features. Again, under menu and sidebar, we'll click on sidebar, and these are all of the different elements that we can include in the sidebar. We've got, for example, the smart recent posts, and we've already got that included in our sidebar here. You can include custom HTML. There are a variety of different elements that you can include in the sidebar, but we'll just stick with the navigation menu that we just created. We've already got a primary navigation of our sidebar menu, which includes our pages. Now we're going to include the categories menu that we just created. We can give it a label if we want to. Click save, come back out to the front end, and click refresh. We can now see our new categories menu right here. So that's really all there is to it with the menus and the sidebars. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.